बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is outclass and very trending resin wall clock ideas, especially for home decor. These are very beautiful and very classy resin clock pictures for you guys. So viewers, I hope so you enjoyed these resin clock ideas. So viewers, how are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine, and I am also fine, alhamdulillah. And if you are new on my channel, then you firstly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more details, for more videos. These are very beautiful and very amazing resin handmade wall clocks for your home decor, and these are trending nowadays, and you customize these resin clocks for your home. There are some pages on Instagram who make these type of resin clocks, customized resin clocks for your home decor. You must visit the Instagram pages for customize these type of clocks. And if you want different other designs of resin clock or some resin craft work, you can must leave the comment below in the comment section. Then I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. And you also watch different other craft work videos on my channel about different craft like pebble craft, recycling craft, and some other craft work. You must visit channel and you watch those videos. I personally like the resin art and the resin clocks and some resin craft work because these are very unique and very attractive and very beautiful. And I personally like too much resin craft, and the clocks are very beautiful and the images are very amazing. I hope so you also like these resin clocks, and you must make these resin craft work or craft resin clocks at home. If you don't know about how to make these resin clocks, then you must watch tutorials on YouTube about resin clocks or resin craft. Then you make these resin craft at home very easily. And I personally enjoyed these resin clocks and resin art because I like resin art too much. And if you like this video, then like the button and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. and you must leave the comment in the comment section and tell me about how much you like these this video or these resin clocks. So guys, these are the most amazing, most beautiful and very stunning resin clocks for you guys, and I'm very thankful to you all guys for supporting and for appreciating me. Always be happy and enjoy your life and make these resin clocks at home, and keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos, follow for more details, for more videos, or stay tuned and be happy. And these are the most amazing craft work for you guys. I am very thankful to you all guys once again. So take care of yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.